Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be showing you how to apply Olixar's Tempered Glass screen protector to the iPhone XS Max. We'll also be putting it through its paces and seeing how well the phone performs when it's applied. If you'd like to enable subtitles on this video, we do have them available for the region seen here. Just simply select your region from the settings below. Before starting this application, remove your phone from its case and make sure your workspace is clean and flat. Next, take the supplied cleaning wipe and give the XS Max a thorough wipe down. This will remove any dirt or smudges that are on the screen. Following this, use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen, before using the dust removal stickers to dab and lift away any remaining pieces of dust and lint. Once you have completed the cleaning process, turn your attention to the screen protector itself. Begin peeling back the protective film, taking care not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers. Next, lower the protector down to the display. You might find it useful to use the speaker as a guide to get a precise fit. Once you're happy with alignment, let go of the protector and allow it to apply to the phone. Take the microfiber cloth and use it to smooth down the protector and secure it to the display. This will complete the installation. You can now enjoy using your XS Max while keeping the screen safe from blemishes. Instantly, I could tell this was a great option for screen protection. The application process is simple, meaning you can be good to go in a couple of minutes. This does a fantastic job of maintaining Apple's premium design, giving you the best screen protector experience. With full glue construction, you are guaranteed to have a phone that is just as responsive and clear as before, meaning you can play games, browse the web and have perfect touch precision when typing, all while giving your display the ultimate protection. When on, the protector guards well against scratches, knocks, bumps and bangs, ensuring the screen maintains its pristine condition. As this is advertised as being case compatible, you can give your iPhone XS Max 360-degree protection with any case. We tested it out using the Olixar ExoShield and found the two went together very well. Overall, this is a fine choice for anyone looking to preserve their XS Max's stunning display without taking anything away from the look and feel of the phone. That's all we have for this video. Please do comment below if you have any questions. For more information or to even buy this screen protector or a case for your XS Max, I'll leave a link in the description and comments of this video.